Hey everyone, welcome back to Ai's channel. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you can remind it and not miss out on the next video. Bang, 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 bang. Boopa! Hey, welcome to Ayu's artwork. First, I will make a sketch of my bunny's character. I use a drawing pen number 05 and 01. It's coloring time! Color it with basic paint using wet on wet technique, which means more water than the paint, or use a light paint because watercolor very loose. After dry, use wet on dry technique, means that after the paint dries, we will apply the second layer and another layer. I just use a simple color for the eggs: yellow, orange, red, blue and green, and then just mix them all together. For the skateboard, I use light gray because I want to make the shadow a bit darker later. It's candy time. In Sweden, usually always get sweets on the weekend, and this is my favorite.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and stay healthy. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.